Check it out. Look at the beautiful day it is. Look how much snow is still here. In the 4Runner. Sick little 4Runner. Alright, how's it going, everybody? Been a minute or two since I posted a video, I think like 2 weeks. I've just been waiting on parts. I did get everything I think I need. I'll show you here. I started working because I'm dumb and didn't start filming, but you know, whatever. So, got the chop saw. Not the one I wanted, but the one that'll work. I got 3-inch stainless straights. I got 2 sticks of 5 foot. Some flex couplers. Flanges. And yeah. Oh, that little guy, don't worry about that little guy. But yeah, so what I'm doing is I'm just working on making the pie cuts and doing the exhaust stuff because I have no idea what I'm doing and I have no idea if it's going to work. But I have 10 feet of pipe to make like 2 6-inch long sections. So I got plenty to screw up with. So I'm bring the welder around, move the beautiful piece there on the ground, and get to it. There we are. It is ugly, but first time really welding any exhaust with a TIG welder. That's hot too, so I'm gonna hold off on touching that. But basically it just comes off and then 90s over this way. Yeah. Come on. Yeah. Learning real quick that I am not good at TIG welding. Yeah, there we go. Not good at the TIG welding stuff. Have very little practice, so I guess it doesn't hurt. But yeah, we're just gonna keep on keeping on. I'll update you when I got more. So that's what we've gotten so far. I would show you what the plan is, but I can't hold all the pieces together. I just went through and got finished welding this one up. Now I know my welds are kind of ugly. That piece has the best welds on it. I'm getting there. I'm figuring it out slowly but surely. Probably not the right way to figure it out, but all you can do is try. And so, yeah, that's what I got going on. I'm going to stick these pieces together real quick, and we'll update in a sec. I just got frustrated, so I stopped filming. And yeah, so we're gonna try and do our best. Okay, just bear with me, guys. Dang. All right, so there's one pipe all welded out. It's ugly. Got a lot of not good enough gas coverage, but I'm still learning. I don't want to waste all my argon just building one piece. But yeah, it's hot, but we'll see. Let's see if we can slip her in there for you guys. There we go. Just like that. I think that'll work nicely. And then mount the turbo. That's why the flex joint's there, so I can mount the turbo up off the fender lock. So, and yeah, so there's one side done. Now just to do something to the same effect on this side, just completely different, because the exhaust housing is going to face a different way. Let's see here. Okay, yeah, so if I put this, yeah, see, the exhaust housing is going to be down on this side where it's up on that side. So not a major deal. We'll get her sorted, but I keep on keeping on. Got a nice mullet going on here. It's looking fantastic. Yeah. All right. Catch you guys in a bit. All right. First piece of the passenger side of the exhaust. I'll weld it out. It's just got done welding it, so it's nice and toasty, but better. Not great, but better. This chop saw's been fun. This is the only sucky part. Is like, look at all of that disaster that needs to be taken off of that. The outside's easy. I don't have a die grinder of any sorts, so I have my grinder set up in the vise. But yeah, the old welder's doing a great job. Yeah, check it out. Look at the beautiful day it is. Look how much snow is still here in the 4Runner. Sick little 4Runner. But yeah, just puttering along. The welding's going okay. I'm having fun. Just gotta be patient. Is my biggest problem. Is I just gotta just slow it down. Slow down. Let everything cool off. I just really am just impatient, and that's why my welds look dingy and not shiny and pretty, because I'm not taking my time welding it. So there's a lot of whatever it is on top of the welds. I can't think of the word for it right now. But it'll break. It might break. Might not break. Don't know. Won't know until I get it running. All right. So I got this put together last night. We're almost there. Just got to finish welding it up. This side's all done. Not very pretty, but that'll work. I'm not picky. And then, yeah, and we just got to figure out the exhaust downpipes. And yeah. It be the cold outside today. It's early in the morning. It's like 8 o'clock, 7 o'clock, something like that. I don't know. And I was like, I don't want to lay around all day long. So I'm gonna get up and go out to the shop, start welding. So that's what I'm gonna do. Start welding. All right. So got it all fit up, and it actually was easier than I thought it was gonna be. Just a straight piece with one pie cut. Came right to the turbo. And the turbos appear, at least when I look at them, they appear to be in roughly the same spot. It's hard to tell for me. Let me know what you guys think. I think they're close enough for what I got going on here. And I did realize that the motor is actually leaned back, sitting on a stud underneath this blanket right here. So hopefully everything will rotate up and still translate over. It should. And yeah, so I mean, Looks pretty good. I'm thinking that it's hard to really tell, especially because, like, I'm guessing that one, I think it's that one, yeah, that one's probably a little bit further forward, because this bolt is roughly in line with this V-band, and if you look straight across, same thing, that V-band is lined up with the back bolt. So, or that one's back further, actually. Yeah, because see, this head sits back further, so this exhaust manifold sits back further. This head sits at the front of the block, so this exhaust manifold sits farther forward. Then do wastegates right off of here. Just wastegate right off there, wastegate right off there, and then have the dump tubes come down back into the downpipes as they go through. I set this up. This is just makeshift steering column, steering shaft, and I got lots of space here. Let's see, I have a little chunk of 3-inch pipe here. I'm going to do 3-inch because that's what size the exit it is on the back side of the turbo. But we got lots of space. I could honestly come up and then tuck it down there. But this thingy, the hydro boost setup is right there. So I was figuring I could come off this one, kind of curve this way and dive on down through that spot there, close to there. We'll have to see on spark plugs how that's going to work. And then this one, obviously, got lots of space throughout here. I plan on putting the battery and everything, coolant reservoir and all that stuff right in this area. And then I'll have my heater hoses right through here. So I'll have to figure that out. So I'll probably hold off on downpipes until I get that stuff sorted. But I wanted to get this part at least done and put out a video for you guys because I really like making them. But enough talking. Let's get back to work. Alright, look at it go. All put together, all welded up. Looks pretty decent. Looks good to me. We'll take a trip up the stairs here. Get a better view of it. I like looking down on it, and this is the best way to look down on it because even though it's lowered, it's still pretty tall. It's just a little duck. Duck, duck, duck. Okay. All right. Yeah. Alright, I think I'm going to end it here. Because it's cold and I'm going to go inside and start editing where it's warm. So, yeah, if you like the video, thumbs up would be appreciated by all of you. Yeah, if you're not already subscribed, which I don't know if you are or not, but if you're not already subscribed, make sure you get subscribed because things are going to start getting better in these videos, I hope. I got more interesting stuff coming. So, thumbs up, subscribe, and we'll catch you guys on the other side. This here is our transmission for this pretty old girl. It's a T56 Magnum. Yeah, and that's really all I got on that.